Welcome back, first grade friends. This week, we are going to be starting a mini unit on measurement. You know, like where you use a tape measure to measure how long something is or how short something is. You might measure how tall something is. You might even measure how round something is. Whoa, boy, my head's a lot rounder than I thought. And you might even measure how heavy something is. You might measure how hot or cool something is. There's all kinds of things we can measure. And to start this thinking, today I want to teach you how you can order things in the order of longest to shortest, or longest to shorter to shortest. All right, so friends, I thought this might really help. Trucks. We see them all the time on the road. Some trucks are much longer. And in case these toys, yeah, some of these trucks are much longer, and even much bigger than other trucks. When you're noticing the length of a truck, of how far it is from its bumper all the way to its front bumper, that actually is measurement, okay? Let's see if I can hold it up here just a little bit better. I'm going to try to line up this truck so that they're bumper to bumper. So I got this bumper and this bumper, and they're almost on this imaginary line right here. Now I can look at the front distance, and boy, that certainly shows that the red truck is longer, okay? The one that goes farther is longer. Say the word longer. Can you hear the word long inside longer? Way to go. The other way to say this is to say the green truck is shorter than the red truck. So say that with me. The green truck is shorter than the red truck. Now here, the longest truck is the red truck. The shortest truck is the green truck. Until this little friend shows up. A mini truck. Okay, so now if we put all three of these in line and we line them all up, you can actually see, boy, that, I guess my green one's a little bit ahead of my yellow one. I got to make sure that there's no gaps there. Okay, so that yellow truck is now the shortest truck, and the green truck is still shorter than the red truck, and the red truck is still the longest truck. Another thing you might even say is the green truck is longer than the yellow truck. All right. There's different ways to organize this. You can put them in a row like this. You can also line them up vertically. And I know that sometimes is a little bit easier to see things with, because then you can really see how they all compare. And all this is much easier done if you have a desk that you can put this on. So friends, your goal right now is to run and grab three little things from your toys. And I want you thinking, they got to all be the same, like all the same. They got to be either trucks or maybe even stuffies. They could be books, like Ruby Valentine, Pinkalicious. I've been in Nora's books today. And Curious George. You might even line those up and start using these words. Which one is longer? Which one is shorter? Which one's longest? Take a second and practice, and maybe even just pop in and show your mom and dad about these new words you're going to be using a lot of. Okay? All right, and I'll see you in the next slide. Actually, I won't see you in the next slide, because the next slide is going to be a little practice for you. So go ahead, once you've done that, where you've taken objects from your real life and talked about which one's longer, which one's shorter, click to the next slide, and there's a quick practice. If you're struggling on that practice, it is okay to click the little button that says stuck, and there's another little video there to help you if you need a little bit more teaching on this. Okay? And I will see you after that. Take care.